Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the Quntis set of 2 solar lights for outdoor use for your garden. It's a solar spotlight with ground spikes. IP65 waterproof. These are solar powered lights with 2 brightness levels. The solar wall lights, or if you're using the spikes, the garden lights, are really nice for spotting something. For balcony, for patio, for walkway, what else? You can attach it where you like because you will not need any power supply because the power comes from the sun. The LED solar lights with lens design. Each solar garden light has 24 LED lights with high brightness, and they provide cold white light with a color temperature from 6000 up to 6500 Kelvin. Each light emitted diode element still has a lens on the outside. This lens design maximizes the collected divergent light and improves the brightness. The solar lights are made out of ABS plastic and acrylic and are IP65 waterproof. The lamp head can be rotated 120 degrees and has a 120 degrees lighting angle. And we have here an intelligent solar light with 2 lighting modes. The solar light has a button on the back side that allows us to adjust the light 45% medium brightness and 100% high brightness, and to turn it off completely. These are the 3 options you can choose. What is the intelligent? When the battery is low, that means this system is smarter. The light automatically reduces the brightness level to ensure the longest lighting time. That means if there's no much power left, the light will glow a little bit down. That's good. After full charge, the light duration in medium light mode lasts 12 hours, and at 100% it will go up to 6 hours. The energy-serving gardening lights are really cool. The solar light has a twilight sensor for automatic switching on in the dark, and high-quality battery with a capacity of 1200 mAh, which has a long service life and a better temperature resistance than conventional batteries. In winter, in rain and snow weather, the light can be used normally and store more power. No cables or plugs required, and no additional electricity costs. Thanks to the use of the PET frosted lamination polysilicon, the solar panel of the Quntis solar garden lights can be fully charged under sufficient sunlight for 8 up to 10 hours. For 4 up to 6 hours use, this is a 2-in-1 solar lamp because it's a wall light lamp and a garden lamp with ground spike. In addition to the solar lights, there are the ground spikes for attaching to the ground, as well as expansion tube and screw for mounting it on the wall. The outer solar lights can be used as a wall light to illuminate the house entrance, for example, install as a path lighting in the garden, as a border of the swimming pool, as a solar spotlight for the flower bed and the flower boxes on the balcony. And this is a mobile light source for outdoor activities and camping. The solar panel charged the built-in rechargeable battery in only 5 up to 6 hours. During the day, the solar panel receives sunlight and transforms the sunlight into electricity that is stored in the battery. Then, when the night falls, the spotlight shines automatically for 6 up to 12 hours. All we need to do is we switch it on. We install the light and admire the lightning in the night. And it's really easy to attach, and of course it's so beautiful to light up all your garden area. I like it really much. This is the Quntis LED Solar Landscape Spotlight set. It comes in a 2-pack or, if you like, a 4-pack. Because the best thing is, use sunlight, not your wires, because this is made out of maybe nuclear power, and the sun is for free. That's good for your pocket and it's good for the nature. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon soon.